how nature friendly is this area. Imagine guys, such a quiet area you can't find in Delhi. Even God is blessing this area and you have a Hanuman temple here. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. And now I am at Helio Apartments, which is one of the hidden gems of South Delhi. And as you can see, independent private quarters. And this is one of the most least explored area of South Delhi. Because guys, this area is located in Aravalli Hills, that's why very less people are allowed here. And on left hand side you have a park for kids. Just look at the scenic beauty of this independent bungalows and also apartments. Since this is a very quiet area, so that's why I will give you very less commentary here. And this is very exclusive area of South Delhi. I can't give you much more description because this is very exclusive area and only selected people are allowed to enter here. I hope guys you are enjoying the views of these apartments. This is the exclusive zone of South Delhi, and you can check how quiet this area is. Guys, for me it's just a Europe-like area. Trust me, I'm not joking. And this area needs to be preserved because this area is surrounded by Aravalli Hills and protected forest area. Guys, since the battery of my phone is draining, so I will be shooting with another phone, but yes, I will try to shoot more clips from the limited battery which is available in this phone. Imagine guys, such a quiet area you can't find in Delhi. Really, it's a hidden gem. And guys, let me zoom into that area. Just enjoy how nature friendly is this area. I am not able to believe that this area exists in New Delhi, and this area is surrounded by such a hilly terrain. Do you think guys I need to give any running commentary further to describe how beautiful, how nice, how excellent and how magnificent is this area? And this area is called as Chopal in local language because you have sitting arrangement here. A real diamond, trust me guys, it's a diamond. And this is the water tanker, and the behind area is the forest zone. Guys, so deep is this area. Guys, there are two areas in South Delhi which are very much exclusive. First is Shankar Vihar, which is army dominated area and under the control of army, and second is this area which is super exclusive. And do you know guys, the amount of it means the cost of one apartment in this area, it is around 5 crores. It means more than 500 million Indian rupees. So guys, my last phone didn't had a wide angle view properly. It has 0.6, but I'm trying to shoot this area with 0.5 wide angle view. Now let's gain this area. And quietly I have to shoot some vlogs here in this area. And guys, trust me, this area demands a very quiet running commentary. Sorry guys if I spoke very less words in this vlog. You just in front of you is Aravalli Biodiversity Park, and on right hand side you have those Hillview apartments. Do you know why the name Hillview was kept of these apartment? Because these apartments are in front of Aravalli Hills and you straight away get the view of Aravalli mountains. That's why it is called as Hillview apartments. And this is the park area in between, and you also have abundance of free parking for this area. Okay. And guys, you have a passage of Aravalli Hills. Guys, I'm feeling that I'm walking in any European country. Even God is blessing this area, and you have a Hanuman temple here. I'm just feeling very proud to walk in this area, and it is very privileged to get entry in this area. After so much of prayers, you got entry in this area. These are the backside of Hillview apartments. Let me check if I see this park. Guys, vlogging in this area is almost next to impossible. Guys, imagine if I bring any foreign friend here, he would really like and fall in love with this area. Only the chosen one gets to live in this area. So much of exclusive area here. This is the end of the park. So imagine guys, only for wide angle view I have to use two different cameras, because my previous camera had 0.6 wide angle lens, but in this current phone you have 0.5 wide angle lens. And I hope the dogs will allow me to cover the remaining area. Guys, I can only say that God has handcrafted this area from his own hands. So beautiful park. And now guys, let me give you a top to bottom view. We have a state called Kerala. Their punchline is God's own country, but I would say God's own enclave. I would say that this is a private enclave of God. So guys, imagine the people who are living in this area, their health would be so precious and they won't have any kind of diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and free from all kind of diseases. That's why I'm kept on repeating that people here are very lucky. So guys, this has happened first time in the history. I used two different wide angle camera phones to shoot this super exclusive zone of South Delhi. Not only South Delhi but South Asia. So guys, this is one of the most historic moment in my life. Two different mobile phones for shooting super exclusive area of South Asia. Once again, I apologize for almost zero commentary in this area. Once again, this is the last moment which I am spending in these apartments. So I hope that you will give like and motivate me to make more such videos in future, because definitely I like to visit this area, but only I need is your blessings, because it is very difficult for me to shoot a vlog in this area.